In the winter of 1846, the Sierra Nevada closed its hand around 87 souls. Snow buried the trail. Hunger stripped away every certainty, and the mountain kept the account. History remembers the wagons, the starvation, the desperate climb toward California. But some debts were never entered in any history book. Nearly 2 centuries later, an archaeological team came to Donner Pass, searching for evidence. They opened the frozen earth and found something that had been waiting for witnesses. Beneath the excavation lay relics of the dead, coins, rings, locks of hair, and a ledger no living hand could have completed. It did not record wealth. It recorded what survival had cost. The starved watched, the consumed accused, the preserved remembered, the gathered kept the balance, and among the living, the replaced waited to be recognized. The team believed they were studying the past, but the past was studying them. Every artifact disturbed the order. Every name spoken opened another line in the account. There are rules at Donner Pass. Do not take what the mountain is marked. Do not complete the circle, and never mistake understanding for safety. The more you know, the more you belong to it. The final ledger of Donner Pass is a psychological thriller of archaeology, guilt, and the dead who refuse to be forgotten. But the story conceals something more. Hidden within its pages are genuine clues to a real treasure, placed somewhere in the living world. Read carefully, follow the record, find what was left behind. The Final Ledger of Donner Pass by H.Charles Beil. Remember them.